Hi, I'm Cara and I'm here with AO, and I'm going to be showing you how to create this volumized high ponytail. So I've now washed and prepped my hair, and I'm just going to go straight in and start creating my high ponytail. So what you want to do now is you want to grab all your hair and start working it up towards the crown, making sure that as you go you're really brushing, smoothing out any lumps and bumps. Obviously you can keep a part in it if you prefer, that is all on your choice, whatever you think suits you best. For me, I'm going to bring it all back, but what I'm going to make sure is that underneath I'm not getting any lumps and bumps. Just really comb it up and smooth it out. And sometimes it's a good tip actually to just chuck a bit of hairspray underneath just to secure it a little bit more. And then just be really firm as you are bringing it up. Really keep a tight hold around your ponytail, and then just smooth any extra bits in. I'm now going to go in with the hairband. I always use a snag-free one because you want to avoid damaging your hair at any chance you can. And then just secure the hairband around the top of your head. And then I'm just going to go in with the straighteners just to put a couple of bends at the top just to give it a little bit more volume. Just section it off. I'm not even going to take it all the way down, just going to give it a little bend. And bring it forward. Repeat on the next section. This just helps create a little bit of volume. As you can see, I'm not taking it the whole way down my hair, I'm just giving it a little bend. Flip it all back. And now what I'm going to do to finish off is I'm just going to take my pintail comb and just do a slight back comb just to bring it out a little bit more. Section your hair, you pull it up, and then with your pintail comb, just do a couple of strokes down. Pull it forward, next section, pull it up, a couple of strokes down again. Just keep repeating throughout the whole ponytail. Then go in with a little bit of hairspray. Just underneath, then flick it back. As you can see, it's already a lot more volumized than before. And then what you're going to do is just slightly smooth over without brushing the back comb out too much, just to keep it nice and volumized. So if you prefer to actually disguise your hairband, you can grab a little bit of hair just from underneath, about that thickness, and then just wrap it around your ponytail, and then just secure it with a bobby pin, and then just readjust the ponytail. And there you go. That's how I have created a high ponytail with volume.